Okay, let's put together your new Kindly holster. So you're going to receive a Ziploc bag and also this safety strap. So inside the Ziploc bag, you are going to have 2 of the plates, and these are going to be what hooks on each of your cameras so they can go on the sides of your bag. And then you're also going to receive a little Allen wrench for the clips that are on the side of your bag in case you need to adjust the placement of those. And then, of course, we have the screws that are going to help screw these plates onto your cameras. Okay, so this is how it should look on your camera. You can see that there's a little kind of ring on there that helps you screw it on. You want to make sure you screw these on really tight. You do not want these loose. I like to put them in the same direction, and because that's how I like to hang them, but you can kind of decide what you do. So right here we have a little safety strap, or not a strap, a little safety clip, and we've added a safety strap in your package just so that we can make sure that this clip never comes undone. You can see here on the side, this is how the clips are on, and they screw in. So you should be able to adjust that if you need to. There's more holes on the side in case you need to scoot it out a little bit. But that's how it works on both sides. And now you can see if we take this safety strap, we're gonna clip it first. So you're gonna clip it on your body, on your waist, clip this little safety strap, and then we're gonna have you just put this through. There's some little, there's a little bit of room for you to push it through, and gonna go through on one side, and then you're gonna bring it through on the other side. It's a little bit tricky just because there's not a ton of room, but you're going to push that through, and then you're just going to put it together like a belt. So it's just an extra safety strap feature to make sure nothing happens to your gear. Please put it on. We just always want to be protecting your gear. So that's how the safety strap is going to look. And you can see that the excess strap will go along your waist, so it's not hanging down the back. But if you do want to change it, you can see how I'm pulling it out. You can kind of pull it out, and you can reroute it the other way if you would prefer to have it out and not around your waist. And so this is kind of how it looks. We got the clips on both sides, and this is how it looks on. She's got it on both sides, and you'll notice all she has to do is press that little tab down, and then you just push it down and it automatically goes down like that. You can also lock it in place if you don't want to have to press that, and then unlock it as well. Grabbing from both sides is easy, and plenty of room on the inside. So excited for you to have this.